Okay, today is Thursday, July 23rd, 2015. We're looking at the Northeast Pacific water vapor loop, and we see that high pressure has been installed here, right offshore here, and is creating an onshore flow, which is taking all this thunderstorm activity out to the east, and is keeping it separated from the all the weather to the north. Meantime, we have a tropical storm down here that was hit with a transmitter earlier today. We can take a look at that right now. This is Felicia. It earlier today was a tropical storm, which is now identified as a depression with only 35-mile-per-hour winds. In Los Angeles today, we had a barometric pressure this morning of 30.03. Tonight it's 30.05, and so that's a little bit of it's raised a little bit, and this is all high pressure right here. It's moving out to the east, which is serving to keep these thunderstorms out of the Southern California area. So once again, they're blocking these systems from delivering rain into California. Now, right here we have a clockwise rotating mass. This was a system here 2 or 3 days ago that was moving out of the northern Pacific Ocean. This has been basically neutralized with a transmitter, which is applying heat right here. And meantime, Felicia down here has been blown apart. Let's go take a look at that real quick. Over here on the water vapor loop, we can see some interesting features here at the water vapor loop. This thunderstorm right here has been completely blown apart. And you can see part of that right there shooting off to the due south. I'm not sure exactly, it almost looks like a firework going off, but that is that's right where the transmitter was hitting. And this is basically what happens on a much larger scale inside of these storms. They superheat the air, and sometimes the water expands so quickly that you see what you're seeing there, and that is pretty good evidence of weather manipulation. So over the course of about 8 hours today, this was downgraded from a storm to a depression due to this attack right here. There's a transmitter hitting. Now look over here in the eastern East Pacific. We have a transmitter hitting right here, right there. Okay, so we've got high pressure here. We've got it installed. Let's go back and look at the bigger map here in water vapor. This whole area here is being built out. Look at the flow. It's just pushing all this weather out to the east. All right. Now we have forecasted in the next 4 to 5 days 100-degree weather for LA. And that's really no surprise when you look what they're doing here. This is a constant, cloudless, hot air. It is humid because some of this moisture is seeping up into the area, but they're not letting any of that thunderstorm activity in at all. You can see that. Let's go look at the infrared loop. These are pretty good thunderstorms right here. Most of them are red, and some are moving into Arizona. We can go and take a look at that here, and let's go look at the. This is the visible light mode, and we can't really see the detail of that little storm right here. That little thunderstorm that was. We had that big chunk of water vapor shooting out from the side. Can't really see much here, but. Mainly, we're just going to keep an eye on this tropical storm and what's happening in the far eastern Pacific, and also what's happening in our area here in Southern California. They're forecasting hot, triple-digit weather for the next week and the next 4 or 5 days ahead. Meanwhile, there's plenty of moisture here that's trying to make its way north, and as you can see, they've got this engineered to keep it all moving clockwise and out to the east, with this high pressure downburst right here, right there. So we'll We'll do another one of these tomorrow. Okay, that's it.